everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add timesheets in Odoo. Timesheets are an important tool for tracking employee working hours, and it can help you manage project costs and schedule resources more efficiently. So to get started, you'll need to have Odoo installed and set up with your employees and projects. Once you've done that, you can navigate to the Timesheets app in your dashboard. Next, we're going to switch to the Kanban view, and to add a new timesheet, we're going to click on the New button. Here you'll see a form where you can enter the details of the timesheet, including the employee, the project, the date, and the number of hours worked. So in this case, we're going to say catch them all. There's a project, task, catch, stitch, and we are going to say caught experiment 626. After that, we are going to add the hours that were spent on this. So in this case, let's say 2 hours. The date is automatically applied because this is the date that we are in, but you can also change it if this is something that happened yesterday or the day before. A new feature from Odoo 16 is that there is no longer a save button, meaning that you can just exit your timesheet and it will be logged in there. You can also save them manually if there's any changes done. So for example, see, you can save this manually and it automatically saves. If you're using Odoo's project management features, you can also associate the timesheets with a specific task, as seen here. This can be helpful for tracking progress and allocating resources more efficiently. Once the timesheet is complete, the employee can submit it for approval by a supervisor or manager, and the approver can review the timesheet and either approve or reject it. If the timesheet is approved, the hours worked will be added to the project's accounting records. So we are going to, in this case, validate the timesheet. Here we go. And validate it. And that's it. By using timesheets to track employee work hours, you can gain valuable insights into your project costs and resource allocation, and you can make better decisions about how to manage your projects. Thanks for watching!